Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to welcome Mr. K.K. Gupta, who has kindly consented to come and deliver a talk to the staff members, and will be speaking to the cadets also tomorrow. Although I didn't knew that we have such a great personality around us, close by in Patna. But it just happened that Dr. Gupta, he gave us a call long time back, maybe it is almost now 1.5 months conversation. And I came to know that here is a personality who is going to be of great help to this organization, wherein we were looking for the people to guide us towards the betterment. So we decided one date which couldn't materialize, thereafter another, again there was some problem, school was closed, and finally, today he is with us. We welcome you, sir. I would like to give you just a brief about the officer. He is MA English, Hindi and Education. Dr. Gupta has retired as a principal and a regional academic head of Atomic Energy Education Society, Mumbai. An educationist of national level, writer of tips for English grammar, expert in new education policy, keynote speaker at national and international level. He has 3 sons, sir. 3 sons. All of them are at very high positions and moving to the various places in the world, not only in the country. And same goes with Dr. Gupta also. He has also been traveling not only to the country, but to the various parts of the world to give his talks and help the nation and the people to grow. Keeps on giving talks on the following at national and international level: positive parenting. So this is a lecture which he generally delivers to the parents, and in fact we also wanted to take these tips from Dr. Gupta, but probably it is very difficult at this stage to get the parents at such a short notice. But definitely whenever we find time, sir, we'll be calling the parents and we'll request you to talk to them. Effective teaching, that is for teachers, for which he is here. He'll be talking to you for next hour or so. And then effective counseling for the cadets. The lecture is going to take place tomorrow. Now I'll request Dr. Gupta to come on the stage and continue with the proceedings. Well, would you like to?
Honorable Principal Sir, Headmaster Sir, respected learned teachers. Before I start, I have 3 things to share with you. Number 1, Knowledge is a relative thing. What you know, I do not know. And what I know, I don't say you do not know. You may not know. So let us share the fare. It's an age of sharing. Number two, whatever little I'm going to talk will be all suggestive in nature, nothing prescriptive. And third, if you feel they are good, you accept them. If you feel they are not good, reject them outrightly here only, and please don't go with them. So to begin with, who are we? We are teachers. So my first question, who can be a teacher? Everybody cannot be a teacher. One who has the heart of a mother and the brain of a father, he or she alone can be a teacher. I am happy to let you know that I am son of a retired principal, teacher, and at the same time father of a principal, rather director of a CBSE affiliated school. So you may say it's almost in my blood. I keep on sharing it at all levels, if given opportunity. So I'm thankful to Mr. Bhatt, who has been kind enough to accommodate my talk. You all might be knowing there are 4 kinds of teachers. One who tells is an ordinary teacher. One who explains is an average teacher. And one who demonstrates is a good teacher. And lastly, one who inspires is an excellent teacher. So your inspirational role is important. I will like to become bilingual sometime so that my everything touches your heart also, or some of those things may touch your heart also. What is our business? Education. You might have come across several definitions of education during your B.Ed, M.Ed stage, PhD stage. But you see, what the word education tells you. What is education? Education word itself tells you everything. First letter is E. So, experience is education, exposure is education, exercise is education, encouragement is education, and finally emancipation is education. Sa vidya ja vimukta. That is education. Next is the discipline is education. For that you are known all over the world, all over the country. And some of your distinguished children have earned a name for you at international level. So credit goes to you only. And that is why I have used learned teachers. So next is you. This is really missing as on date. I don't say it is missing here. So understanding is education. You see, reading a lot, teaching a lot, understanding a jot, and scoring a dot is the basic problem as on date. सब कह रहे हैं, माता भी कह रहे हैं, ये पिता भी कह रहे हैं, गुरु जी भी कह रहे हैं, पढ़ो 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 पढ़ो. That is not required. Understand. And now CBSE people have started saying it's not content, rather it's concept which is important. Next is C. Courage, confidence, conviction, commitment, and character is education. Next is A. कुछ टीचर्स कहते हैं ये बच्चा कमजोर है। मेरा कंसेप्ट है नो चाइल्ड इज डन, और इस पर हमने आर्टिकल भी लिखा। जितने भी आर्टिकल्स हमने लिखे हैं कुछ तो लाए हैं, हम सर को कॉपी देकर जाएंगे, आप पढ़िए उसको। नेक्स्ट इज एबिलिटी इज एजुकेशन। हम लोग कह देते हैं कि बच्चा कमजोर है, नहीं नहीं, बच्चा कमजोर कभी नहीं होता। इट डेफिनेटली स्पीक्स ऑफ माई हैंडीकैप एज ए टीचर, क्योंकि हमारा शास्त्र क्या कहता है वो आप जानते हैं। अमंत्रम अक्षरम नास्ति, देयर इज नो लेटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच यू कैनॉट मेक ए मंत्र। तो मंत्र बनाने आएगा तभी तो बनाएंगे। अमंत्रम अक्षरम नास्ति, मूलम अनौषधम नास्ति। There is no plant on this earth which doesn't have medicinal value. वैद्य जी रहिएगा तब न दवा बना लीजिएगा। और तीसरा है जिस पर आपका ध्यान चाहूंगा, and that is अयोग्य पुरुषो नास्ति। There is no man on this earth who is completely useless. Then what is missing? Yojkas tatra durlabam. Those who can use them are rare and are not there. So, ability is there in the child. You have to go down to the level of the child and you read wonderful experience. Next is T. Here I definitely am very much opposed to parents as on date, and I hope teachers are parents also. So, parents बच्चों को टच मी नॉट बनाते जा रहे हैं। You see the chaotic condition of the country, of the society. Toughness is education. Make him tough. Education क्या करता है? Prepares for life. If you make him touch me not, जिस पौधे का नाम ही यही है, तो क्या करते हैं? लजौनी फूल, वो तो बच्चों को वीक नहीं बनाना है, जितना स्ट्रांग है वो तो खैर आप लोग बना रहे हैं। यू आर ए स्पेशलिस्ट इन दिस जॉब। सो टफनेस इज एजुकेशन। नेक्स्ट आई, industry is education. Make him industrious, he will become intelligent. Because labor sharpens intellect. Next, O. यहाँ पर गुरुजी लोगों से मेरा झगड़ा होता है। ओरिजिनलिटी इज एजुकेशन। टीचर्स देखिए क्या करते हैं, जो बोलते हैं उसको कहते हैं कीप क्वाइट, और जो नहीं बोलते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं, उसको भी सजा देते हैं, बोलता क्यों नहीं है। सो ओरिजिनलिटी इज एजुकेशन। कोई इंट्रोवर्ट होता है, कोई एक्सट्रोवर्ट होता है। हिंदी बीच में अगर बोले तो कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं आप लोगों को? ओके। मैं एक्चुअली wherever I go, I place my heart. I don't, virtually I don't have that capacity also, but I know. And last letter is N. Nobility is education. Vidya dadati vinayam, vinayadayati patratam, patratvat dhanmapanoti, dhana dharmam tata sukham. अब ये आएगा कैसे? तो मैं थोड़ा डिफरेंट एरिया में आया हूँ। मैं आपके नालंदा सैनिक स्कूल में मुझे 2 बार जाने का मौका मिला। एक मिस्टर रंगापानी या कोई मिस्टर पानी थे और एक मिस्टर राव थे। अभी मिस्टर मिश्रा हैं, उनका भी है कि यू कम टू सैनिक स्कूल। लेट अस सी इफ आई कैन डू इट, बिकॉज आई एम टू गेट बैक। आई वाज टू get back on 17th only. I had my ticket, air ticket. I was to go to Mumbai, but all on a sudden, and that's how it has materialized, because I was supposed to be here on 14th. I beg an apology also for the inconveniences caused. तो ये एजुकेशन आएगा कैसे? हमारे पिताजी भी कहते थे आदमी बनो, और हम अपने बच्चों को भी कभी पढ़ाया नहीं, कभी लिखाया नहीं, कभी कुछ सिखाया नहीं। कहा आदमी बनो, बेचो चाय, देखने वाला कहे कि बेचता तो चाय है, आदमी अच्छा है। तो अभी सोसाइटी का सबसे वाइटल मिसिंग पॉइंट यही है। An IAS husband killing an IAS wife, you can imagine. 1.25 करोड़ में एक IAS होता है, 100 seats are there. तो जो एक पत्नी नहीं संभाल सकता वो जिला क्या संभालेगा? तो ये एजुकेशन आएगा कैसे? If you don't mind, आपका नाम क्या है भैया? आपका? अच्छा, खान साहब को अगर हम बुलाना होगा, सिर्फ खां कहेंगे तो नहीं आएंगे, ना कहेंगे नहीं आएंगे, कहना होगा खान साहब, दौड़ कर आ जाएंगे। लेकिन देखिए आपकी मुलाकात एक ऐसे वर्ड से कराते हैं जिसका सब कुछ निकाल दीजिए फिर भी रहता है। एंड व्हाट इज दैट? यू सी हैबिट। यू रिमूव एच, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? अ बिट। You remove H, what is left? A bit. You remove A, what is left? Bit. You remove B, what is left? It. It is still there. And you remove I, it troubles you, torments you throughout your life. So what is education? Habit formation is education. Please don't go for teaching and teaching. Teaching as on date, I feel all over, I have the occasion to visit different parts of the country, and I have felt that teaching is reduced to almost cheating. Almost. I don't have any right to come out with this, but I hope you are aware of the type of society that is giving our children. So these 3 P's are there: parents, principal, and pupil. So link is missing. The word education has been derived from educare. Everybody knows. You have to take out. You have to draw. You are required to see that you come down to the level of a child, and if his habits are not good. अभी 6 मुंबई में एक हॉल अपार्टमेंट है, इट इज नोन एज नीलगिरी। हर 15 दिन नहीं तो मैक्सिमम 1 महीने में एक इंजीनियर छलांग लगाता है वहां। आप बताइए किस तरह की पढ़ाई हुई? Coverage of syllabus is not important. If teachers cover the syllabus, I can tell you, the students are not going to make a mark in there. Coverage of the child is important. Cover the child. Teachers कहते हैं 40 minutes, 40 children, 1 मिनट भी नहीं पढ़ता है। तो हम लोग से गलती होती है कि कहीं लैडर है। तो बच्चों को, कल मैं बच्चों को एड्रेस करूंगा, मुझे और खुशी होगी। आई विल बी डबली बेनिफिटेड, बिकॉज प्लीज रिमेंबर इट, इफ यू आर हियर टू लिसन, you little know how you are enriching me. So, I talk of basics of life. तो वो जो नीलगिरी से कुत्ता अभी एक एसपी जयपुर में छलांग लगा दिया, बताइए, वो भी एक कितना ब्रिलियंट बच्चा होगा। तो सोसाइटी डजंट नीड कवरेज ऑफ सिलेबस, बच्चा तो पढ़ लेगा। अगर आपने बच्चे की एबिलिटी को